All right, good morning, y'all. We're at Sycamore Point. It's about sunup, a little bit after sunup, and we're gonna go see if we can find some trout. I haven't had much luck here, but I'm gonna go meet up with some friends and we're gonna see if we can get on them today. Let's do this, y'all. So we rafted up 3 deep, and in true Yak Nation curse form, the first time you come out with me, y'all gonna have to be careful, because you're either gonna catch some kind of crazy fish that you're not gonna know how to deal with it, or something else gonna happen. We got Adonis with us today. Tell them about your first Yak Nation experience. What just happened?
I lost $200. Dropped my pole in the water.
Oh no!
$200 rod.
Dropped his pole in the water.
Gonna have to catch a lot of fillets.
Yeah, we're gonna
to make up for that.
That's a lot of trips.
Yeah.
To catch up. And y'all remember that guy right there? That's,
Not me, no.
oh yeah, that's the slab daddy.
I'm from my mama too.
We all from the same place, our mamas.
That's right.
Well, we know it works.
That's right. On the bottom. It was the bottom one.
Yeah. First fish of the day, y'all.
You're on the books.
I'm on the books. A baby hardhead off my sabiki. We're trying to get some live bait so we can fish. And the hardheads are hungry. Normally when you fish Sycamore Point, for anybody who's just moved here or has never fished here, it's a real good area. What you think about, usually about middle towards the end of October, Vic?
October, November.
Yeah, October, November, it gets real hot for speckled trout. So if you're ever thinking about trying Sycamore Point, save them sick days and wait for October, November, and then come on out here and you're gonna tear them up. We're leaving them all here for y'all for next month.
18, 19 inch.
Oh, big ones, he said. Big ones. Oh.
Yeah, baby!
Yeah! Woo! No tide. Hot as hell. Woo! Look, I'm holding it. We fished a lot of casts for this dude here. He ain't that big, but damn it, I don't want to lose it. No, I don't want to lose it. I got him on the grips. All right, y'all, we on the board. 13 and a half.
Throwback. Damn hard.
Oh.
That's why I don't like to
Yeah. There you go. Now, yeah, there you go. That's how you get him. You work it down and then flip him through your arms there. There you go. Oh! Pro status. Sweet. Hey, the cork went down.
Yeah.
That's all that matters.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, that's all that matters for now.
My knots all seems to be all right. Yeah. Gotta check the knot now, man.
Oh, is that what you do? You let a hard head hit you? You allow it to hit you?
Check
Let a hard head hit your pole just every now and then? Just to make sure your knot's good?
That's right.
Oh.
Take your time.
Oh! You didn't pose? I said you didn't pose with your feet. Oh! What you got, Big A? What you got? Oh! He got his trophy, Vic.
Trophy hard head, bro. Let me see. Old fashioned. That's right.
Hold up the trophy. You know how to catch fish. We just don't want it.
The white bait
You know?
strikes again.
What you caught him on, eh?
Caught him on
The white bait.
the white bait.
Caught him on the white bait. Oh, it's all about Josh. The white bait is still working, buddy. Yeah, why don't you net him from me, Vic? I could bring him in, but I don't want to.
No.
I'm going to bring him around to you, baby. When you're not catching that mini, bro.
What?
When you're not catching that mini, you get the net on all of
You got
them.
tacos now, baby.
Woo!
You ain't got to measure that one, but put the camera.
Oh, that's right. Ain't got the measuring.
You got to measure that, bro. That's about what I was catching.
Yes.
That's about what I caught right there.
Keep the line wet. That's right.
Catch him in the pool.
Watch yourself, buddy. Look at that. Oh, what we got there? Old single fang right there. All right, there we go.
Now we clear.
We on the board. We back on the. Hey, bro, fourth quarter stretch.
That's right.
Thanks for the net. That fine net assistance, Vic.
Hey, teamwork, man.
That's right.
Yeah,
Two
basic
trout.
Teamwork. Team yak. Just pop it one time.
Oh yeah, he's on.
Ugly stick, ugly. Is it ugly fish or a pretty
Oh
fish?
no. Oh, look at that.
Hey.
Hey.
That's a baby red.
Yeah,
Oh,
but
that's a croaker.
at least he's on the board with an eating species.
You can. They eat good.
They don't have no size limit on them, huh?
Get
Look
the
it, bro.
crab.
Hold them up. You got. Hey, that's. It don't matter how big. That's the first keeper in the kayak.
Scale.
Yeah.
Man, you
He's
gotta
better
hold
than a
this real
brim.
fish up, man. You know what? It's all good.
That's a saltwater brim right there. That's right. Oh, a bigger croaker.
Oh, another
You
one.
croaker heaven, you. Oh, you done found a croaker hole now.
That's the croaker master right there.
Croaker master.
Croaker master.
Croaker master.
That's right. Wow. Hey, so do y'all consider this cheating or no? We running 3 wide with trolling motor Vic at the helm. Is this cheating? It's teamwork. Oh, look at that. That's the Croaker King. Man, that's the Croaker King in Chicago right there.
You gonna have it, Chicago. I don't know if I should keep this one, man.
Man, hold up your
smaller
your
than the
trophy,
other
bro.
one?
You gotta move your hand. You can't.
It's so little.
You put the same in there.
When you're fishing on a trimaran kayak, you can't. The guy in the middle can't go to the bathroom, so I got to step across to the next yak. Man, today was a lot of fun, y'all. We got out there, we did a lot of fishing, and a little bit of catching, right? Like that much. But your first time kayaking, right?
Yeah, it was fun.
First time catching fish off a kayak. Some people go a long time,
Yeah,
you know,
it was fun.
kayaking, and you caught fish right away. So the man knows how to fish. Thanks for watching the episode, y'all. Stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button on, right, I don't know where it's at. It's on the bottom to the right, maybe a thumbs up over here, but definitely hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell to the right. You'll get notifications to let you know every time we release a new video. I want to thank everybody for watching. We had a great time. I'm TJ. This is Adonis right here, and we out. See y'all. Bye. The Adonis close out to the video. Take 1. And action.
All right, everybody. So get on his Yak Nation page. Subscribe to his Facebook. Go check out the YouTube channel. That's how
Yes.
I found out about it. I mean, watched all the episodes, loved the first season. On the second season, still going strong. Yak Nation, we out of here.
Go. That's a wrap. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good, guys. It's gonna be good. I love my fishes because they're so delicious.